Yes, sir. We are back. Watch the sun. Bing! Motherfucking sun out. Yeah, hey, I'd rather for the sun to be out than it's like this, like dark or cold. It's chilly, but it ain't too cold. You know what I'm saying? But your boy got the hoodie on because I'm gonna be on the ground. Also, man. But yeah, guys, y'all don't know what I'm doing because I'm not showing you yet. No, I'm just playing. Hey, y'all, we got 2015 Tahoe, man. We're about to put a lift kit on it. Well, actually, a level kit. Let me rephrase that. So y'all know how the back kind of sit up. Back kind of sit up, front kind of sit down a little bit. So I ain't got too long to try to do it, but I did it on my Suburban a while back. When I definitely want this stance up, man. I want that, like, that little aggressive look, you know what I'm saying? But at least sit up a little bit more in the front. So we're gonna put a 2-inch 11 kit. And let me show y'all. Well, let me move this stuff out the way. All right, guys, so let me show y'all. This is the kit. Y'all see it's kind of painted red when I did my calipers. So this is a 1.5 inch? 1.5 inch, I think. Not mistaken. So yeah, man, we're gonna strap them on. Try to strap these on if possible. I tried one time, but for some reason I couldn't get it. But can't give up, you know what I'm saying? Never can give up. So yeah, these are a little, wish I had them a little taller. Okay, so guys, we're gonna take the towel, and what I like to do is undo my shocks at the bottom. I gotta wait for this thing to charge, man. For some reason, the battery don't work on this one. She working. But guys, I'm gonna try not to, like, I'm kind of in a rush, but so last time I popped this off, right? I popped that off, took this down, then undid that, then I loosened the bolts here. So basically, like I said, I had this off enough for me to drop it, enough to have that gap so I could stick them things in there. So I looked on YouTube, try to find out an easier way. They said nothing else. Only thing they did say, take the bolts from the shocks, push down on this thing, it'll drop down. Then it'll give you that little gap right there. So now that's what I'm gonna try to do. So let me go ahead and take these bolts, try to loosen them. Like I said, my drill dead right now, so I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Well, this is a little trick. Once you take the bolts from the bottom of that, right, from your strut, and when you try to push down on this, it's still gonna be kind of tight. Now this right here, this is real tight. So to relieve it, you're gonna have to unloosen the center link, not center link. I think these are outer link. You're gonna have to unloosen these, right? I didn't take them all the way out, but now, let me show you. When I hold against it, y'all can see how she dance. So that give me a little leverage room. And you see that right there? Give me a little leverage room. I ain't gotta move nothing else. Like on the other side I was trying to take my control on. I'm up here knocking it, trying to pop the thing out. The whole time I didn't even have to, and then I was unloosening it. So I did more work than I had to do. But good thing, y'all, if y'all doing something, go to YouTube. I'm telling you, if you think you know, you might not know, go to YouTube. It's gonna be way easier. So they showed me an easier way. Pretty sure some of y'all already know how to do it, but this is something that I did before, but I took out all of this almost just to put a down lift on there. So the only thing I really had to do was just unloosen the bolt and unloosen this bolt and push down on it. Now, I do recommend 2 people working on this car. That way one can do this and one can get up under there. One can push down, one can get up under there and slide up in there. But since it's just me, it's gonna be just me. So y'all stay tuned, let me put them up in there. And also, if I can find it, okay. They go a certain way. Like, let me show you. You can't put them this way. They're gonna have to go that way so they can be out on the back side. And they don't go, they go like this. See how straight at the bottom? They're gonna sit on their little plate and sit that strut up. They're not gonna go like this. And this kind of can show you how this kind of look upside down and this kind of flat. So stay tuned. Yeah. I just fucked up. No, I was just playing. But I think I did, but I think I didn't. I don't know. Some of y'all might say, hey, let me just tell y'all something. Sometimes you just gotta find a way to make something work. It's not all about, okay, do it like this, it's gonna be like this. The other person gonna be like, you can do it like this, so it won't be like this. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of ways you can explain and do stuff. It's the reason I picked back up the phone to let y'all know what I did. Now, I do not recommend y'all to do this at home. This is unsafe, not safe at all. So do not do this at home. It's just me. So I'm trying to press down on this a little bit. Now it is bouncing, but when I press down, I'm trying to stick the leveling kit in there, but I can't because it's not going down enough. So I gotta put my body in the car. I mean, inside of the fender well, just to press down with my foot. I'm trying to avoid for taking everything else loose if I don't have to. YouTube told me, well, showed me a way where you can press down and pop it in, but it was a little smaller than what I have. So that means I'm gonna have to go back and basically it's a taller lift than the one I seen on YouTube. So that's what I have to do. So what that means, I had to get a jack. I got it flushed to on the caliper, on the rotor, and on this back thing. So I had to get a flat brick, and this, and I had to put like something up here so it won't poke a hole in here. You know what I'm saying? But now I got, show y'all. See, now I got wiggle room. See that? I can get wiggle room and I can operate it now. Only thing I gotta do is just tighten it up a little more so it can scoot up a little more, so I can hurry up, put them bolts up in there real quick. So like I said, this is the hood way, the ghetto way, the rigged way, and rigged, nigga rigged. So don't do it like this, y'all, but I ain't had no choice. So why not show y'all? You know what I'm saying? If y'all do this, this is what I did. Like I said, got it flat here, flat, lift it up, still flat. So she good, but it's only gonna be temporary. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so like I said, this is why I had the brick and stuff on, that flat surface right there. But I ain't had no choice. But as y'all can see, I do got them on. I finna just tighten them down a little more. I do got them on. And I'm gonna tighten it down, the outer link, tie that down. But y'all kind of see the drop, you know what I'm saying? So we finna gonna put that on and put the tile and stuff like that. And then we're gonna see how the stance is, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned. That's just extra money in my pocket, you know. Even though I called, they was like, we can put them on for $360, boom. I said, well, I already had the part. They said, yeah, we gotta get it, labor, do that, then alignment, boom, okay. $360. A regular alignment, I'd say $69. So look how much I've saved putting it on myself, and then I just get alignment when I get ready to get alignment. So boom, that's all. It's just how you save money. Sometimes you gotta save money. Just once you do something, you can save a lot. When you know something, put your mind to it, go on YouTube, do your research, you put your mind to it, and you can save a lot of money doing this. So we got it done, we got them out. Also, when you're putting these on, they're gonna come with bolts, nuts itself on the lifter. Damn, I can't talk. But on the leveling kit, they're gonna come with some nut and bolts already. So you gotta use those. You can't use the factories because the factory's too short to be able to screw the nut on. Also, you can't use the factory nut because it's not gonna go with the new stud. So you gotta use what came out the box to this, because the new one's a little longer than the old one. So just want to give y'all that, just in case. All right, so we're gonna set this. And this let y'all know how low she is, because now I can't take the tie, so I'm gonna have to jack it up. Now, old Suburban, I just never got to put on. And I was gonna take the truck to a Rick's Pro truck, let them lift it up. Even though I had my own part already, either gonna be 400 and something if I buy theirs and let them do it, or it's gonna be 360 if I had my own part. But that saved me a lot of money. Let me show y'all. Y'all see the little stance now. So, let's see some. Right there. She still ain't touching the tire yet. But this side over here, see the side over here, so you can't even, to let you know it's high over there. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna do the other side. Y'all gonna do the same thing for the other side. It's not gonna be too much of a difference. Same thing you did over there, do the same thing over there. All right, y'all. We'll show y'all final result when we're done. Let me fill up some more. I'm done. Let me see if I can see a difference. Step back. I definitely can see a difference in it. So I'm gonna move the, let me see how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move the truck this way. All right, y'all, so I definitely can tell the difference. I know y'all can see the difference right there. I know y'all can see the difference. Let me get on this side. Now the back probably a little inch higher than the front, but if I wanted to, there are some little spacers about this thick. I can just undo the bottom bolts again from this, take the 3 bolts out from that, drop it down, put those plates on it, and go back up with it. So that's what I might do. I'm gonna get online and order some and set it up a little bit. But I think it looks good right there. Like I said, we finna just go clean it up, man, wash it off, get it back normal real quick. So that's what we finna do before time is up. All right, guys, so that's how you lift up a 2015 Chevy Tahoe, and that's how you save money. All right, y'all, so right now she's a little dirty. I'm gonna give y'all another video of it. All right, guys, I'm officially done. It'll be dark. Well, it's almost dark out here, but let me show y'all the results. Yes, sir, she's clean. She's fine and clean, man. Like I said, she do sit up a little bit, but yeah, she's clean now. That more nice. You right. What y'all think? Nice. What's a nice Tahoe? Go pick up.